Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Shopify blog effectively. First, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Online Store and click on it. Then, select Blog Posts to access your blog management area. This is where you will create, edit, and organize all your valuable content. A well-maintained blog can significantly boost your store's visibility and customer engagement, helping you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Now, let's create your first blog post. Click the Add Blog Post button, enter a compelling title, and write your content in the editor. Remember to use headings and paragraphs for readability. You can easily add images by clicking the image icon, ensuring they are optimized for web. Before publishing, review your post carefully. You have the option to publish it right away or schedule it for a specific time, giving you full control over your content release. Optimizing your blog posts for search engines is crucial. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your title and content. Always add a compelling meta description, which is what appears in search results, to entice clicks. For every image, include descriptive alt text. This improves accessibility and SEO. Finally, encourage engagement by adding clear calls to action, like Shop Now, and enable social media sharing buttons to expand your posts, reach across various platforms. Effectively managing your blog involves organizing your content. Use tags and categories to help readers find related articles easily. Consider linking your blog posts directly to relevant products or collections within your Shopify store. This can drive sales. Once your post is live, don't forget to promote it. Share your new content across your social media channels and include it in your email newsletters to reach a wider audience and bring more visitors to your valuable blog.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.